Hey everybody, I had to re-record today's video because we were having an issue with the audio. So let me go over to gold, and this is going to be really quick now. All right, gold is on a 4 out of a 9 count. Our new target is basically to break above this 200 period moving average, and if not, as long as we're staying above this green line, which is our green trend line, we are intact on support. This is the 1854 area is the price to break. The support area is inclining at about $2 a day, and we are at 1788.90 for support. The RSI is almost in the overbought region, and I am specifically bullish on gold, much more bullish than I was 2 weeks ago. All right, going over to silver. Silver is the same sentiment. Basically, you need to stay above this green trend line. This blue trend line, however, we could go sideways and basically touch, and this is also coinciding with the 7-period moving average. The next spot to hit is this red line at 28,309. We are looking a little bit less bullish than gold just because of the long wicks at the tops of the candles. So we will pay attention to this. Let's see if we have 3 more days of upside, or if we're just going flat, or if we're correcting. All right, S&P 500. The S&P 500, I am more bullish on the S&P 500 now because of the way the 9 closed at a brand new high. This week's candle, I really don't want to see it break back above this green trend line. Unfortunately, there is not a full candle body close below this trend line. This 9 still has a little chunk of it left. It needed to be slightly underneath the 8 in order to not have that problem. So if we manage to close this one candle above this 9, above this green trend line, then this trend stays intact and we are going to continue accelerating, and that's not good. We are in the overbought region on the RSI, and the MACD is flat. So these two indicators have basically gone completely flat. That's also a very strange occurrence. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin. But price is king, so as long as prices are rising, the market tells you to stay in. All right, going over to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin on the weekly, we're at a green 1, but we're kind of in an indecision 1 candle. I think we may have one more test back at this 5578 area, looking at the way this is shaping up. But we still have 6 days to go until the close of this candle, so we'll pay attention to that. On the daily is the more important picture in my opinion, and that's because we have a triangle. We're breaking out of the triangle. We closed 1 candle above it. We've wicked into this 30 or 50 period moving average several times already, and now we're kind of paying attention. This indecision candle on this 4 is interesting because it's telling us that we don't know what the market's trying to do. Indecision in the market is not usually a good sign, especially on a breakout. So maybe Bitcoin is going to pull back again into the 55 area. I would not like to see that. However, if it does happen and we consolidate for yet another week, that would put us at the 13th week of consolidation in this area. So the longer we consolidate, the more violent the breakout gets. All right, so I'm bullish long-term on Bitcoin. Short-term, tentative, neutral. All right, everyone have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.